Snapshot of Connecticut manufacturing industry. You know, we used to have such a rich history with manufacturing towns like Waterbury and Putnam. Where are we now?
Manufacturing is still very important and a very strong force within Connecticut. There's over 4,800 manufacturers, about 166,000 people work in manufacturing. And we've actually had an increase of 900 manufacturing workers year over year as of the March figures out of the State Department of Labor. The challenge that we have right now is that, first, manufacturing is not recovering as strongly in Connecticut as it is in some other parts of the country, and there's a number of reasons for that. Some of it's product mix, some other areas, whether they be in food processing or in automotive manufacturing, may be doing better than some other areas, like aerospace, for example, which is still growing but is having its challenges, and particularly cost challenges. And the other thing is that the cost situation here is very daunting for companies. They don't add people unless they absolutely need to. A lot of companies are getting by with more productivity increases. A lot of them are using temporary workers, which do not show up as manufacturing workers. They show up under the service side, even if they're working in a manufacturing facility. And a lot of times they're doing this because the cost of bringing on someone permanent in Connecticut is rather daunting, and they won't do it unless they've got solid orders and they know those orders are going to be increasing over time.
How about the aerospace industry?
Aerospace has been a vital industry for Connecticut for many years. There's still a lot of strength in it. Of course, one of the challenges we've got right now with aerospace is the cost of the fuel is really leading to cutbacks and second guessing on part of a lot of folks who buy airliners. So they're finding they're starting to increase their costs. They've only got so much leeway to do that, and I think there's a great deal of concern amongst commercial aerospace in an era of increasingly high fuel costs. So that's going to be something to watch. It certainly isn't something that is as robust as some other areas of manufacturing right now.
Great.